morning to you all, my dear children of class 9. This is a video clip on literature. We are here in drama, The Merchant of Venice. It's act number 2, scene 2, and we shall begin with line number 91. The venue is same for the entire scene. That's a street in Venice, and the characters present are very simple, as it was in the previous class. Lancelot and Gobbo. Later on, Bassanio makes his appearance. So here we are on line number 91, and what is taking place is Gobbo was cheated. Bassanio comes later. Before he comes, Gobbo and Lancelot were talking to each other. Gobbo had come to meet Lancelot, but Gobbo could not recognize because he was very old. He was sand blind. He was gravel blind, and Lancelot wanted to make fun of. He wanted to joke for a while with his father, and so they were confused. But later on, Gobbo confesses, saying that old man's son is not dead. That means he was not dead. So line number 91. Then Lancelot rises and he says, "It should seem then that Dobbin's tail grows backward. I am sure he had more hair of his tail than I have of my face when I last saw him." So Lancelot was kneeling down, and there was some noise. When he turned, Gobbo happened to feel the face, but actually he placed his hand here. So Lancelot was kneeling, and Gobbo felt the face. He thought that he is feeling the face, but actually it was the back portion. So in that connection, he told that you have grown more beard on his face, or the hair on your face is more than the hair on the tail of their horse. But Gobbo responds saying that, or Lancelot responds saying that, if he starts having hair fall, it is for the horse, then of course his hair on the face will be more. Then Gobbo says, "Lord, how art thou changed? You are changed a lot." Now at this moment, Lancelot has confessed, saying that I was simply joking with you. I am your son. I am the son of your wife called Marguerite. And on knowing that, Gobbo says that you are changed a lot. How dost thou and thy master agree? Means, are you going well with your master? Means, does your master like you, respect you, love you? I have bought him a present. How agree you now? I have brought a present for your master. And who's the master of Shylock? It is, who's the master of Lancelot? It is Shylock. So I have brought a gift for your master Shylock. How agree you now means, do you agree that I should give it to him? Lancelot says, well, but for my own part, as I have set up my race to run away, so I will not rest till I have run some ground. So well, if you have brought that, I don't have to, I am not bothered. But I have decided to, I have set up my foot, means I have decided to run away from him. And I am not going to stop before I have covered some ground, means before I have covered some distance. I am not going to stop. I have decided to run away from him. My master is a very Jew. A very Jew means a very typical Jew, a very bad Jew. Give him a present, give him a halter. You are saying that you want to give him a present. I will say that you should give him a halter. Halter is a rope with which the people hang themselves. So better you give a halter to my master, Shylock. I am famous in his service. Famous means to become very weak. I become very weak in his service. You may tell every finger I have with my ribs. Listen. You may tell every finger I have with my ribs. With the ribs, can you tell how many fingers are there? If you have to count the fingers, can you use your ribs to count? No. But the fingers are used in order to count the ribs. So you may tell every finger with my ribs is wrong. You may tell every ribs I have with your finger. So this is just the opposite, and this is a deliberate mistake committed by Shylock in order to create laughter through Lancelot, who himself is a jester. Giving me a present to one master Bassanio. So that present which Gobbo has brought to give to the master of Lancelot, Lancelot says you should not give it to Shylock, you should give it to another master called Bassanio, who indeed gives Ray new liveries. who indeed give red new liveries means Master Bassanio gives new liveries to his servants. New liveries means new clothes. If I serve not him, I will run as far as God has any ground. And if I don't get an opportunity to become the servant of that master, Bassanio, then I am going to run as far as the last part as God has made. So I am going to reach to the farthest end that God has made. So far I am going to run away. Oh rare fortune, here comes the man. Oh rare fortune is how fortunate are we. The man whom we are talking about has come right here. Father, for I am a Jew, if I serve the Jew any longer, if I will serve the Jew any longer, I will myself become a Jew. And Jews were hated. Christians in this drama have been shown to be far better person than the Jews. So if I serve the Jew any longer, I myself will become a Jew. So I want to leave his service. I am famished, I become very weak. He does not treat me well. He does not love me, doesn't give me proper food and proper clothes. I want to leave his service and become the servant of another master called Bassanio. Your gift also should be given to him. And how fortunate were they, Master Bassanio was coming that way only. And the Bassanio with Leonardo. Leonardo is the servant of Bassanio. And other followers means other servants were also there. Bassanio says, Bassanio is talking with Leonardo and other servants, okay? Bassanio is not talking to Lancelot or Gobbo. He is talking with his own servants. Bassanio says, you may do so. Whatever they were talking about, yes, you may do that, you may do so. But let it be hasted that supper be ready at the farthest by 5 of the clock. So you may do so, but keep one thing in mind, that supper food should be ready latest by 5. By 5 the food should be ready, 5 in the evening. See these letters delivered, and take this letter and deliver it. Put the liveries to making means put or take the clothes for stitching. Liveries means clothes. Give the clothes for stitching. Making means stitching. And desire Graciano to come anon to my lodging. Desire Graciano means say Graciano to come and meet me at my lodging. And non means immediately. Go to Graciano and tell Graciano to come and meet me at my home immediately. So these many work Bassanio gives to his servants, especially Leonardo. Just at that moment Lancelot comes, and Lancelot does not speak to Bassanio, but Lancelot interferes, and Lancelot says to his father, to him father means go and give the gift to him, to Bassanio. Gobbo says, God bless your worship. It's a greeting. Bassanio, gramercy is a same to you. It's a French word meaning same to you. Wouldst thou ought with me? Ought means anything. Do you want anything from me? Bassanio asked Gobbo. Gobbo says, here's my son, a poor boy. Gobbo says, points out at Lancelot and says, sir, this is a poor boy and he's my son. Lancelot says, not a poor boy, sir, but the rich Jews man, that who saw, as my father shall specify. Specify means explain. So, what did the father say? Father said, this is my poor boy. Lancelot is not happy with this, and Lancelot says, son, I am not poor. I am the servant of a rich master. He wants, rich master is not used for him, no. It is used for his master. But he wants rich, the word rich in anywhere in the sentence. Gobbo, he had a great infection, so as one would say, to serve. Infection is it's a wrong word. Actually, it should be affection, desire. Gobbo says, my son has a great desire, and that desire is to serve, means to become a servant. Indirectly, he means to say, you are servant. Lancelot says, indeed, the short and long means the main matter is, I serve the Jew, Shylock, and I have a desire as my father shall specify. My father shall explain. I am the servant of Shylock, and I have a desire. My father shall explain to you. Okay, Lancelot says he has a great infection, which will be explained by his father. Infection is wrong, it is affection. Gobbo says his master and he, saving your worship's reverence, are scarce cater cousins. Cater cousins means good friends. Then Gobbo says, my son and his master are never good friends. And I'm saying this to you with all due respect. Why does he say this? With all your worship's reverence, with due respect to you, because he is indirectly criticizing another master. Okay, and Bassanio is also a master. So because of that reason, since he is criticizing one master in presence of another master, he says, with all due respect to you, my son and his master are never cater cousins. They are never good friends. Lastly, to be brief, the very truth is that the Jew, having done me wrong, had caused me, as my father being, I hope, an old man, shall fructify unto you. Fructify means notify. Then Lancelot does not speak himself, nor does he allow his father to speak in complete sense. Then Lancelot says, the Jew, my master, has harmed me, food and clothes. He doesn't get enough, or not proper, and so he has a problem. And since his father is an old man, he will beautifully put it to Bassanio. Gobbo says, I have here a dish of robes that I would bestow upon your worship, and my suit is, so I brought a dish of robe, Gobbo says, and I am offering it to you. And my suit means request, and my request is, but before he could say his request to Bassanio, once again he is interfered, and Lancelot says, in very brief, the suit is impertinent to myself. Impertinent means concerning. The request which my father was going to tell it to you was regarding me. It was pertaining to me. As your worship shall know by this honest old man. And though I say it, though old man, yet poor man my father. So he says, this old man will say, what is my request? Though I am saying old man, but he is my father, a kind of love is trying to show to his father also. Bassanio gets irritated. He got irritated. Sometimes the father speaks, and when the father speaks, the son interferes. And when the son speaks, he doesn't conclude, says the remaining part my father will say. So Bassanio got irritated, and he says, one speak for both, what would you means what do you want? And finally Lancelot says, serve you, sir, to become your servant. Gobbo says, that is the very defect of the matter, sir. Gobbo says, defect means conclusion. That is the very conclusion, that is the main matter I want to say to you, sir. So this is the end of line number 135, and we shall conclude this class here at line number 135. We shall go ahead in the next video clip. Thank you.